Hello, welcome to Trans Technologies. My name is Vincent Ekomawosu, and I am going to be taking you on the Microsoft Excel for Beginners tutorial. And we are going to be looking at the Microsoft Excel starting from scratch. Even if you don't have an experience of Microsoft Excel before now, it's not going to be an issue. All you just need to do is get your computer set ready with your Microsoft Excel already installed in the system, and of course, you can follow us step by step on how we are going to be taking this class, and I trust that everything is going to go perfectly. Head over straight to how to open the Microsoft Excel, although I did a video before now on that. Let's take a look at that once again. Thank you. Please, let's follow just step by step so we can be able to grab each point and each steps, and of course ask questions where possible. So first and foremost, we'll take our cursor to the start button, click to check for the applications already installed in your PC. Now I have the Microsoft Excel here, so what I do is I either click on this particular place to open the Microsoft Excel, or in case I don't get it from this particular point, I can come to this place, which is the search button, click and type Excel. Now I haven't opened to this particular point. All you just need to do is click on this application here, which has been opened already. You will see a pop-up just like this. All you just need to do is click close, or use the close button up here to close. Now it will display further some other types of workbooks that you can actually open. These are already made templates that can help you with certain things, just the way you can see them as indicated there. Now the one we are most interested in is the blank workbook, which happens to be the first and the selected. Well, all you just need to do is to go straight to that point and click, then it opens to the Microsoft Excel full interface. Now I just need to remind you that the application, or the Microsoft Excel application we are going to be using in these lectures or in this class is the version 2016 of the Microsoft Excel application. And of course, I would like you to follow suit, but in case you do not have the version 2016 of the Microsoft Excel application, all you just need to do, maybe you can send text, or you can drop comments, or you can send direct messages, so we can know how to assist you or where to come in. But as for the purpose of this particular class, if you're a beginner, just know that we are working with Microsoft Excel version 2016. It could be different from the version you have over there. Please don't allow that to disturb you. We'll definitely sort it out too. However, let's move ahead. Now we have gotten to the point where we have opened the Microsoft Excel interface. So in my next video, we are going to be discussing every icon on this particular Excel interface, what they do, what are the outcomes, what are the results when they are used, and how do we use them, where and when do we use them. So thank you so much for staying put. Please don't hesitate to invite your friends as we continue to move ahead. This is just the first steps of opening the Microsoft Excel interface. Thank you so much for being there. So see you some other time.